Good evening, guys. Welcome to English with Sandy, and this is day 8. तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही मजेदार टॉपिक पे कि अगर जो हिंदी में कुछ सेंटेंसेस शुरू होते हैं वो शब्द से, तो क्या इंग्लिश में भी एक ही शब्द का इस्तेमाल होगा उन सेंटेंसेस को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए? तो चलिए जानते हैं कि क्या होता है। द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इन हिंदी इज वो भी क्या दिन थे। तो वो भी क्या दिन थे से याद आता है कि हाँ, कुछ बहुत हसीन दिन थे, बहुत अच्छे पल थे और अब वो दिन नहीं रहे। तो द सेंटेंस इन इंग्लिश वुड बी दोज वर द डेज। Those were the days when we played cricket. Those were the days when we went out to play in the evening. So, वो भी क्या दिन थे जब हम शाम को खेलने जाया करते थे। Those were the days when we went out for movies. Or those were the days when we went out for late night movies. So, वो भी क्या दिन थे जब हम late night pictures देखने जाते थे। तो this is sentence 1. Second sentence is वो तो मैं भूल गया। वो तो मैं भूल गया। तो the sentence in English is I'm sorry, I forgot about that. I'm sorry, I forgot about that. I'm sorry, I wanted to get you some chocolates, but I forgot about that. वो तो मैं भूल गया. So that's how you say it in English. The third sentence is वो नहीं आने वाला. So, वो नहीं आने वाला, you would say it in English. And how would you say it? You would say it, he won't come or she won't come. वो नहीं आने वाली तो she won't come. वो नहीं आने वाला तो he won't come. So, he won't come. वो नहीं आने वाला. Next sentence is वो आपको यहाँ नहीं मिलने वाला. तो you can't get that here. It could be any object. It could be about anything that you want to buy. You can't get it here. Buy or find. So you can't get it here. वो यहाँ नहीं मिलने वाला. Or it could be a person as well. So if you're looking for Sandy, you won't find her here. Okay. So वो यहाँ नहीं मिलने वाली. So if you're looking for someone, you won't find him here. He lives on a different address now, and he no longer lives here. The other sentence is वो तो मुझे पता है. How would you say that in English? So, वो तो मुझे पता है in English would be I know that. I already know that. वो तो मुझे पता है. I already know that. Oh, I know that. वो तो मुझे पता है कि तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. So, I already know that you're lying. So, the next sentence is वो तो तुम्हें आना चाहिए. तो वो तो तुम्हें आना चाहिए should be you must know that. So, you must know how to drive a car. You must know how to recognize people. You must know how to treat people right. So, you must know that. वो तो तुम्हें आना चाहिए या वो तो तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. So I hope today's class helped you learn something new, and I would request each one of you to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.